Hello friends, we have been discussing about admission of a partner. So we have discussed what is admission of a partner, and on admission we calculate the new profit sharing ratio, right? This we have discussed so far in the previous lectures, that what is the new profit sharing ratio in after the admission of a partner, in which ratio all partner means including the new partner will share the profits. That is the new profit sharing ratio, and we have discussed the various cases where we calculate the new profit sharing ratio. You can refer to lecture number 52 to 55. These are all the cases where we calculate the new profit sharing ratio, right? So in this lecture we are going to start with a new topic, that is sacrificing ratio. Now the first question is, what is a sacrificing ratio? What do you mean by a sacrificing ratio? See, if I divide this into two words, sacrifice as different and ratio as different. What is a sacrifice? What can you think of a sacrifice? You have heard this word n number of times. What is a sacrifice in a layman's language? Sacrifice is giving up something. Sacrifice is giving up something in favor of someone. Right? Ratio, you all know what is a ratio, right? This is basically, what is ratio? Ratio is the amount, or I can say, if I talk of the profits here, the ratio in which the profits are being sacrificed, right? Ratio is always calculated when two or more things are involved, either they are people or anything, only then we can calculate ratio. Clear? So what is a sacrificing ratio? If I talk in case of admission of a partner, I have told you this pizza example, right? So this is our pizza. In this pizza example, you and your friend A and B, they sacrificed slices of pizza in favor of whom? In favor of their friend C, right? Now we have to calculate the quantum of sacrifice. How much is the sacrifice by A, how much is the sacrifice by B? That will be our ratio, that will be the sacrificing ratio, right? If I say that out of this, one slice is sacrificed by A and one slice is sacrificed by B, what is the sacrificing ratio? 1:1. One slice by A and one slice by B. So what is the sacrificing ratio? 1:1. Clear? So what is the sacrificing ratio? If I talk in terms of admission of a partner, sacrificing ratio is the ratio, you can write this down, it is the ratio in which old partners sacrifice their share of profit. What are they sacrificing? The profits, because the profits which were earlier being distributed in the two partners, now those profits will be distributed in three partners, right? So their old partners are sacrificing their share of profits in favor of a new partner. Clear? So this is sacrificing ratio. Now in this sacrificing ratio, we have discussed in the last chapter also, change in profit sharing ratio, how to calculate this sacrificing ratio. This is what is the original share, old share, minus what is the new share of the partners, right? This is how we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio is what is the old share of the partners and what is the new share. If we subtract them, we will get a sacrificing ratio. Clear? So we have the various cases now in case of calculation of a sacrificing ratio. What is case 1? Let's see case 1. Case 1 says new share of old partners is not given, right? Let's take an example to understand this. There are two partners, A and B. They are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. C, a new partner joins them and it is given that his share is 1/8. Nothing else is given, that in which ratio A and B has sacrificed in favor of C. Now while calculating the new profit sharing ratio also, I told you there also we had case number 1 where it was not given the new profit sharing ratio of old partners. We were given the old profit sharing ratio of old partners and the share of the new partner. That's it, right? So what we assumed that the sacrifice made by the old partners is in old ratio. Write this down. Note. If only the share of new partner is given, then always assume that old partners are sacrificing in which ratio? Old ratio, because we don't have any other ratio. So we will assume that the old partners are sacrificing in the old ratio. So what will be the sacrifice? Let's see this quantum of sacrifice now. If I talk of A, what will be the A's sacrifice? 1/8 is C's share, and what is the old share of A? 3/4. That means out of the total share of C, that is 1/8, 3/4 is given by A. This is the total share. Out of this total share, 3/4 is given by A, because we assume that the old partners are sacrificing in the old ratio. So what is the sacrifice? 3/32. Similarly, we will calculate B's sacrifice. What is the total share of A? What is B's share? 1/4. So this comes to 1/32. What is the sacrificing ratio? The quantum of sacrifice made by the partners. So what is the sacrificing ratio? This comes to 3/32 is to 1/32. This comes to 3:1. Right? So see, their old share was also 3:1. Their sacrificing ratio is also 3:1. Why? Because we have assumed that the old partners are sacrificing in old ratio. This has been proved by this practical example. Right? Make another note here. In this case, sacrificing ratio, because this will really help you to cross verify, right? In this case, sacrificing ratio will always be equal to old profit sharing ratio. Clear? So what we are saying? We are saying that the old partners are sacrificing in the old profit sharing ratio, in the old ratio. That means the sacrificing ratio will always be equal to the profit sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio in this case. Clear? So this is case 1 where the new share of old partners is not given. What we are given is only the total share of the new partner and the old profit sharing ratio of A and B. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to assume that the old partners are sacrificing the profits in the ratio of old ratio. Okay? Why? Because we don't have any other ratio. We don't know that in future in which ratio they are going to distribute the profits. So we always assume this thing. You can really give this note in the exam. This will really give a very good impression on the examiner that you know why you are doing this thing. If the examiner is clear, if the paper checker knows, that you know each and everything that why you are doing this thing, then you really get some grace marks. So focus on these notes also. Okay? So we always assume that the old partners are sacrificing in the old ratio. Clear? Now let's see case 2. Case 2 is very, very simple. Case 2 says old profit sharing ratio and new profit sharing ratio are given. Now what is the old profit sharing ratio? It is the ratio in which the old partners were sharing the profits. What is the new profit sharing ratio? New profit sharing ratio, it is the ratio in which all partners including the new partner will share the future profits of the business. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Right? Now I have told you what is a sacrificing ratio. How to calculate sacrificing ratio? Old share minus the new share. So we have to just apply this formula here. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old share minus new share, right? Let's see an example. Now there are two partners, A and B. They are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2, right? C is a new partner. C is a new partner and this is old profit sharing ratio. We are given the new profit sharing ratio. The new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Clear? And they say calculate the sacrificing ratio. Very, very simple. What is sacrificing ratio? This is old share minus new share. Who will sacrifice? Only A and B will sacrifice. Don't calculate sacrifice for C. C is already a new partner. He is the gaining partner. What is the sacrifice? If I talk of A, what is the old share? 3/5 from here. What is the new share? 5/10. So this comes to 1/10. Clear? What is B? B's old share is 2/5. What is the new share? 3/10. So what is the B's sacrifice? 1/10. Now if I talk of sacrificing ratio, you can easily tell me what is going to be the sacrificing ratio. 1/10 is to 1/10. This comes to 1:1. This is the sacrificing ratio between old partners. Right? So this is case 2 where we are given the old profit sharing ratio and we are given the new profit sharing ratio between the partners. And we have to just apply this thing that sacrificing ratio is equal to old share minus the new share. Right, friends? So we have discussed two cases here. First one where the new share of old partners is not given. We are just given the share of the new partner and the old profit sharing ratio of old partners. We assume that the old partners are sacrificing in old ratio. Clear? Then the old profit sharing ratio and the new profit sharing ratio are given. Right? So in the next lecture, we will discuss case 3. Case 3 of sacrificing ratio. Okay, thank you, friends.